Of course, I think sustainable fashion has great potential in it to, as an idea, there is, people are talking about sustainable fashion, and I feel that it's about how you perceive beauty and it's about how you want to contribute in the world. So as long as you kind of revere that contribution, whatever you do becomes beautiful. But apart from that, I feel that the impact that sustainable fashion has on life around us is what makes it beautiful. You're cutting less trees, you're giving fair wages, you're deeply connected with your surroundings, you're deeply connected with people involved who are a part of the fashion construction, garment construction, and I think hence there is a lot of beauty in it. It is how you see it.